In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the refund status on Temu efficiently and ensure a smooth process for any pending refunds. Whether you've been waiting a bit longer than expected or just want to check in on the status of your refund, this guide will lead you through each step of the way with ease. First, let's start by opening either Chrome on your computer or the Temu app on your smartphone. Whichever platform you're using, make sure you're logged into your account. It's essential to be logged in to ensure you have access to your personal order details and that everything we do here is personalized to your needs. Next, navigate over to the orders section within the app or site. This is where you'll find a history of your orders and can select the particular order associated with your pending refund. Take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct order, especially if you have made multiple purchases recently. Having relevant order information handy can save you time. Once you've selected the correct order, dive into the details and check the refund status. Here you should see any updates provided by Temu regarding your refund process. If the status is updated and everything looks to be in order, then you're good to go. But if it seems like something's off or not updating as it should, don't worry just yet. Before getting too concerned, double check that your payment method or your bank details are correct. Sometimes, discrepancies in the payment information can delay the refund process without you even realizing it. If everything appears to be correct and you still find it isn't updating, clearing your cache or restarting the Temu app can sometimes solve minor glitches that might be causing the issue. Technology can be temperamental, and a simple refresh can often breathe new life into stuck software procedures. Should the problem persist after these troubleshooting steps, it's time to reach out for a helping hand. Using either the app or the Temu website, contact their customer service directly to delve deeper into the issue. Their customer service representatives are well equipped to assist you with your refund and provide the support you need to resolve the matter. When reaching out to customer service, be sure to have all your order details and any relevant information about your refund at the ready. This will ensure the support process goes as smoothly and swiftly as possible, allowing the customer service team to quickly access and understand your situation. I hope this guide has been helpful in making sure your refund journey is as uncomplicated as possible. With these steps, you'll be equipped to handle the refund process like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find your refund resolution swiftly.